Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search contacts in Pipedrive. This will help you quickly find any person or company in your account. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to your dashboard. At the top of the screen, you will see the search bar. This is the fastest way to find contacts. Click on the search bar to start. Now, type any detail you remember about the contact. You can enter a name, company, email, phone number, or even a keyword. As you type, you will see suggestions appear automatically. If you want more results, press Enter to open the full results page. Next, look for the Contacts category. Click on it so you only see people and companies. Now, scroll through the list and find the contact you are looking for. If you don't see it, try searching again using a different detail. For example, use part of the name or email. That's it. Now you can quickly search and find contacts anytime. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.